Welcome, Stampers and Paper Crafters, to day 6 of the 12 Days of Christmas. Today we're creating this cute little gift. The gift is microwave popcorn and then a pair of socks, some nice cozy fuzzy socks, and that is the scarf and the hat of our snowman. So let's get our supplies and let's get started. So now I have 2 piles of supplies. One are non-Stampin' Up! Items and the other is Stampin' Up! Items. So our non-Stampin' Up! Items will need 2 of these little clear hair bands. You can get those at any store. You need some Post-it notes. You'll need your popcorn bag. You'll need a 1/2-inch circle punch. Some socks, some fuzzy socks. So this time I've got some reindeer red and green. And then you'll also need a white chalk marker. Our Stampin' Up! Supplies, you'll need pumpkin pie cardstock, basic black cardstock, and basic white cardstock. So these 2 are scraps to punch, and then this one is 5.5 by 8.5. There's 2 punches you'll need. One is 2 3/8 inch circle punch, and the other one is the country bouquet. And so we are going to use this piece here to make the nose. Then you'll also need the black, basic black Stampin' Write marker, a sponge dauber, and bubble bath ink pad. The first thing we're going to do is wrap this around your popcorn bag. Now, depending on the size of your popcorn bag, you may need to adjust the size of your basic white. We're going to wrap that around. And then we'll add some adhesive here. And if you want to use tear and tape, that'll work too. Or if you want to use liquid glue, you can use that also. We'll just move that around. Okay, so then what we're going to do is we're going to put our position our hat and our scarf. The first thing we want to do is put our scarf on. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold our sock in half long ways. And then this piece is going to go on the back. And then this is going to go to the front. Okay, and then you're going to take your clear hairband. That's going to go on here and just need to wrap it twice to secure that. And then push this down to the bottom. And then you've got your scarf, and we want to put these on first so that we know where to position the face. So the sock for the hat, you're going to pull it out so that the heel is to the back. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to roll that up. And yes, you do see the back side of it. And about to where the heel is, that's how far we'll want to. You can always roll it up a little bit more, especially after we make the little pom-pom. So that we just gather the toe of the sock, and we're gonna wrap that with our clear plastic band. So that kind of poofs out. So I don't want it floppy. You might want it floppy, but I think I'm gonna roll it another time to make that hat. And you can make the roll bigger, smaller. I mean, it's really up to you how you want to do that, okay? All right, so now let's make some eyes and a smile and a nose. So our nose is made out of a pumpkin pie and one of these leaves on the country bouquet. So you just need a scrap. The eyes are made with a 1/2 inch circle punch. And this is just some scrap paper I have. And then our smile, what we're actually going to do is punch a Post-it note. We're going to punch it in half with our 2 3/8" circle punch. So here's kind of a trick. You see these cross beams here inside your punch? If you line this up along those, that's going to give you a half circle. Okay? And again, if you've got bifocals, make sure you're right on top of it. Okay. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to put this for the smile to kind of position that. And I'm not going to put that, trace that around quite yet. So I'm going to reposition just a little bit. Kind of want to make it a little bit even. All right. Then I'm just going to position the nose. And I think I'll make it go that way. And then the eyes. Now, I personally like the eyes a little bit closer together. You can decide how you want those. You could even try some larger size circles. It's up to you. I'm going to use the liquid glue, and we'll just add just a touch of glue on the back. Maybe. It'll come out. Whoa, that's a little too much. So I'm going to grab my nose, put that down, and this other one, and we'll just get some glue off of there and share it. Now the great thing is this glue dries clear. The other thing I really like is I can move that around now. And I think I might want to put this up a little bit higher because I want the cheeks to be about even with the nose. Okay, so now I'm going to draw the smile on. And so this is our Stampin' Write marker. It's still the same color and ink that we have in our ink pads. The smaller end is the blunt tip, and then the larger end is the brush tip. That's what they look like. Okay, and so we're just going to trace these around. Okay, now we need to put some rosy cheeks on there. So we're going to use the bubble bath and a sponge dauber. And you just need to dab that. I always like to dab it in the corners. And just make that circle. And you can make it as dark or as light as you'd like. Okay. To add some highlights to the eyes, just use a white chalk marker, and we're just going to add just a little bit here to the sides, and it depends which way your guy's looking. So, and that just kind of finishes it off. And that's all there is to our snowman popcorn gift. It's a great way to give a little snack and a pair of socks. All right, so this was day 6. Stay tuned for day 7. Bye.